Alright, I got a new drive shaft for the 2018 car. Also got some new tires. But this is the new re-advised DSS drive shaft. It's the new one. And I don't know if I'm missing some bolts, or not bolts, but some washers or what. It's supposed to be 3 of these. And it's supposed to be, these washers, should be 2 more of these washers. Lock washers go on here, which go up around that end. But my other car, my 2016, I've actually had these bolts, which goes to the transmission, the tail shaft. I've actually had these back off before, even though I put Loctite and everything on them. So I'm gonna run to the parts store and I'm gonna grab 2 more of these lock washers, and I'll just split these. I'll put one up here on top, and I'll put another one on the bottom. That's my plan. I don't even think I got these on my other car. Put plenty of Loctite on it, stuff, but ain't nothing major. But anyways, they say that these are supposed to be the lightest now, and so let's find out. £17. That was it. Cool. Oh, I found them. I went back in the box just to double check. I cut the box both ends completely open. I cut both of them completely open. I reckon they were just stuck in the crack or something, but yeah. So anyways, I found the rest of the stuff I needed. So, all right. race today, Sunday, going to Alabama this time. Yesterday was Jackson, Tennessee before takeover. Today is Muscle Shoals, Alabama. My good friend Nicky Looney, you know, he's leasing the track this year, so I'm going to support him. Got a big race today. I think it's a $10,000 race. We're going to enter the Street Fighter. It's a $100 buy-in. So see what we can do. May not do nothing. It's all no prep. We'll go from there. See.
One in Birmingham. I went around and looked at it, and it was nowhere near as nice as what the guy let it on to be. So I was looking through Marketplace. We left there.
Dang, nickel. Cressy, where'd you go?
Blow the tires on.
Yeah. Dang, nickel.
Doug's already paying up.
Hey, you never know.
I know.
Come on, nickel.
Oh, nickel. Go ahead and say it. Go ahead and call it. Mustang.
Mustang for the win. Takes home the money.
I don't know. Look, can't go wrong right here. Drag strip.
Eating crab legs.
Eating crab legs. What else you got in there? Potatoes.
Nobody's telling me
Scrimp, look, Polish sausage.
Oh, yeah.